Sam, are you ready to go?
Yep, all ready. Hey, those are my shoes. I'm gonna need a few more minutes.
What do you...
Hey, Rose, give me back those shoes, Rose!
We can kick the soccer ball around, or laugh and giggle till we both fall down. We could all dance with Rose, she's so furry. Read a book together, or anything that makes you smile today. With Julia's autism, loud sounds can be too much.
But she still loves to make music. Play band.
Oh, sounds like you're pretty sad, huh?
Yeah, but you should keep boinging.
Well, but we don't want to play without you.
Hey guys, wait for me!
Another K.
That's six Ks!
7 Ks!
Good evening, America. This is Touching America with Griffin Toucher. I'm Griffin Toucher.
So how long do we have?
10 seconds.
10 seconds! 10, what?
No, 1 month, 1 month.
The suits like the new format. Good show, everyone. Good show. Party upstairs, drinks and nuggets on me.
I'm gonna go on a beer run. Back and know what you like. Liam, I'll see if there are any wine coolers for you. Sport.
Cool. Thanks, man. Appreciate that.
Yeah. How about you, Toots?
No, thank you. Sweetheart.
Well, okay.
Yes, sir. Sure. Yes, I will. Oh, nice tie, blue suit. No, you hang up. Okay, bye-bye.